Greetings to my fellow LTSers. I am Ishika Jaiswal, an LTSer from Senior Town Unit Howrah. Welcome to Back to Green, the World Forest Week celebration in the LTS. Today is the second day of the sapling plantation campaign, and I welcome all the participating LTSers, their family members, and their friends to this noble task where we join hands with God and the people of goodwill in creating a better place to live in. We are extremely happy that you are concerned about the affairs of the planet. That is why you have joined the LTS in this venture in doing whatever you can in remedying the prevailing situation. Once again, a warm welcome to today's plantation program. For God and the world. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Neeta Dang, the animator of the Leadership Training Service at Loreto College, Kolkata. The India Forest Week has just started, and the Leadership Training Society has decided to campaign by way of a movement called Back to Greens. Today I've decided to be in direct nature, and just now I'm going to plant this berry tree, increase the green cover so that we can be with nature as much as possible, and we can also get enough of nature for our needs. So I'm really delighted to do this work today, and we all know how nature soothes us. And we know how being in nature improves our nervous system, our immune system. So these are some of the things that I wanted to draw attention to, and this is the reason that I decided to be here today.
Hello friends, this is Shudipta, an animator of LTS unit of Don Bosco School, Lilwa. Every year during this period, we observe the Forest Week in our school in a grand way. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic situation this year, we are unable to do so. But we LTSers never stop. We are dynamic, creative, and take up every challenge in our life. All of us know that plants give us life. They are our oxygen provider. As you can see that I have planted so many trees on my terrace. So I would request each and every LTSer to just plant a sapling for this Forest Week. And it is very simple. You just take a pot, put some mud in it, take a sapling, and this is how you put the sapling inside, fix it up properly in the mud, and then you just water it like this. So this is done, and you can see we can go back to the green. Thank you.
The forest cover all over the world is dwindling. It is the responsibility of the citizens of every country to green the planet for our survival. Therefore, we need to plant as many trees as possible around us. So we, the LTSers, are going to green the planet in this week and plant trees all around us possible, on our rooftops, on our balconies, and in our neighborhood. You can see I have already planted a lot of plants on my terrace. Today I'm going to plant another one and make the earth a greener one for our survival. The trees are very important for us. They are the oxygen factories. You cannot survive without the trees. They are the home for the wildlife. They provide us with medicinal herbs which cures all the diseases that is destroying human mankind. So let's green the earth.
I am from Kerala. My name is Anisibi. I am a teacher in CBSE school. I am also the part of LTS Vanamahalsava and greetings from Kerala.
Hello, my fellow LTSers. I am Charvi Dhor. I study in RAD Queen of the Mission School, Park Circus, Kolkata. On the occasion of World Forest Week, LTSs organized a week-long event known as Back to Green. I, as a responsible LTSer, have taken the initiative to plant this green plant at my home in order to increase the greenery and to improve the quality of the environment. Thank you so much.
Good morning. My name is Afrin Hussain. I am from class 9-2, Loreto Elliott Road. Today I am planting this tree because we know that trees are being cut down to build a comfortable society for us to live in. But we don't know that if trees are not planted, the comfortable society that we are building to live in will not be, because trees give us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Thank you.
Greetings to all my fellow LTSers. This is Shraddha Gupta from Our Lady Queen of the Mission School, Park Circle. I am in class 9. I stay near Picnic Garden, Kolkata, West Bengal. Firstly, I would like to wish all of you a very happy World Forest Week. As an LTSer, I had the opportunity to plant saplings on this occasion. My parents, along with me, today planted 3 saplings. Mother Nature has given a lot to us. In comparison to that, this is a small token of gratitude that we can show. Thank you.
My dear fellow LTSers, greetings from Angel Singh, an LTSer from Loreto College, Kolkata. Thank you, fellow LTSers and friends, for taking part in this plantation event. Planting a sapling does not cost us much, nor does it take much of our time. But it does make a big difference in the lives of the planets and its biosphere. This sapling plantation campaign offers a platform for all of us to come together, along with the fellow LTSers, family and friends, to join hands with God in His recreation process and to become admirers of this enchanting world which He has gifted to us. Today, on 15th of July, I take this opportunity to thank all my fellow LTSers, family members and friends who joined us in this plantation event. Your collaboration made our Forest Week celebration more enriched. Tomorrow is the 3rd day of the Forest Week celebration, and let us continue to join God and people of goodwill to continue the ongoing process of recreating the world. Looking forward for your participation in this divine human endeavor.